This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Russell West Terrace. Gather family and friends to make forever memories in this spacious, open, beautifully flowing floor plan. Dramatic, cathedral ceiling front hall opens to formal dining room with step ceiling and great room with electric fireplace. Large open kitchen with pantry and plenty of countertop prep space has an eat-in area which opens to a rear patio and privacy fenced backyard. Perfect for summer outdoor entertaining, or dine in the ambience of the fireplace on cold winter nights. Bright and airy, this home invites to invite. Relax in the generous master bedroom with ensuite featuring double vanities, large shower, jetted tub, and an ample walk-in closet. With 3 additional bedrooms, one over the garage can be a private upstairs den if you prefer. This home has plenty of room to stretch out. Attached 2-car garage and laundry room with deep sink add to daily conveniences. Easy access to freeway puts you close to southside bases, oceanfront, entertainment, and shopping. For more information